Hello, welcome to Spy Money. Let's talk about Turbobot. Today is the first day that we have officially run it, allowed everybody to use it, and great numbers from a lot of different people. I went ahead and run it untouched. I just let it run from about 11:21 was the first trade, and it had other good trades before that, but I didn't have it turned on. So it's not like I'm cherry picking or nothing like that. It traded very good before this. But I turned it on roughly 11:15 or so. First trade's 11:21 today. One contract, it run untouched. It picked up every one of these scalps. Um, and I had settings that I had been testing for probably the last week. And so I run those settings. I run on the 20 Spy Money bar. It's proprietary bars that I've developed that works really well. It shows the chop and also shows the trend. It's easier to trade than your regular bars. All of this comes in the lease with the Ninja Suite, the auto trading bot lease. You get the bot. There is no indicator for this. It's bot only. So if you lease the indicators only, you will not get turbo. There is no indicator for it. So this one does very well. And today, $2,605. That is on one contract, and that's running about 5 hours roughly. And it did very well. Very pleased with it. We had several people running the bot today, making quite a bit. There's been some people that's running on tests the last few days, and they have been somewhere between $2,000 and $4,000 on 1 to 2 contracts, and it's done. It's just done very well. It is purely price action. There is no indicators to this. It's all price action. It does a great job. And so how do you get it? That's what everybody wants to ask. How do you get this? You go into spymoneyllse.com. You come up here to the Ninja Suite at the top, right up here. Click on that. You click on Lease Auto Trading Bots and Indicators, and that will get you all the bots, indicators, training, Discord, everything. This is the kitchen sink right here. This is everything that you're going to want. You can lease just the indicators only. You'll get the whole package, all the training and everything. The only thing you won't get training on is how to use the bots. The only thing different between these two is one has bots and one does not. They both come with the same package. And as far as coming down here, we have eliminated quite a few bots. We're down to about, I think, 6 bots. And I think we will probably bring that down to about 4 bots that we are using. And a lot of people ask, well, why are you making a new bot? Well, I'm not happy 100% with anything. I'm not complacent. I'm always looking for better. And if I can develop something that's better, then I'm going to do that. And because we're all here to make money. So it's not about me making money here. It's about all of us making money as trading goes during the day. We just want to be prosperous. So get all these indicators plus many more. You got a trade copier, a lot of different things in here you can read. All the questions that you have will probably be answered here if you'll take the time to read them. And if you can't get all your answers there, scroll to the top and go to Contact Us up here at the top. Fill out this information. Let me know what questions you have. If you need to speak to me, put your phone number in there. I'll be happy to talk to you and answer your questions and help you out as best I can. A lot of people ask about, I don't really have the money to put up to trade. So we have these funded accounts right up here. And there's 4 of them that we recommend. The one that I mostly recommend because it's trading a real live trading account, where these others you trade sim accounts. Even with your live accounts, you trade sim. And it's advantageous for these companies to allow you to blow accounts because they make more money. With BluSky, you're going to make real money, and they get a portion of that real money. They take 10% after so much. So as long as you go up into the dollar amount that they have, then you can get 90% of your money. Again, this is a real live trading account. This is on a brokerage. Once you get past and get over your threshold, they put you into a live account, and so I like it. You can only do up to $100,000 in accounts. You can do 425s, 250s, or one 100. I would do the 250s, and the reason being is the 100,000 you get 14 contracts But if you do the 250s, you get 20 contracts. So you could trade more contracts with 250s than 100. So I think this is the best way. If you're looking for something to go with a lot of accounts, Apex does 20 accounts. And Apex does a good job with what they do. I do like having the live trading account a little bit better. Really, honestly, you only need one account. If you have one account and you're trading it, you're doing good. The Apex, the one good part about it is that if you just make $200 or $300 per account, if you make 300, that's $6,000 across 20 accounts. They do have an 80% sale right now. They had a 90 and it just ended last night, and they extended it an 80 for today. So good company. Daryl does a good job there. Take Profit is also another good one. Apex holds your money longer, so you're restrained on how much money you can pull out. BluSky, as soon as you make the money, you can pull it all out. Take Profit, you make the money, you can pull it out. You Profit, you make the money, you can pull it out. So if you're looking for fast money, these three do a good job. You Profit now, they just started this, now has 5 days to trade on your valuation. So if you can pass in 5 days and go to your live account, you Profit is stepping up their game. If they would just get rid of the scaling on the live account, they would step up to these other two. That's the only thing about you Profit. As soon as you get a live account, you can only trade up to about 3 contracts for the first $5,000 in profit. And I just don't want to be, having my hands tied on that, where these two don't do that. So in my opinion, I like the real live trading account better because I want to see the real money. I want BluSky to make money off of a live account. I don't want them to make money off of resets and monthly fees and all of that. I want them to make their money off of the live trading account, and that's what they do. Right here is a little diagram, a data sheet that shows you all the information about them. You can read through that, see what you think. Down here you've got different coupon codes. BluSky, I think that 40% went off last night. I think it did. If you click on the link, if it's still working, then it will show up as a discount. This one went to 80% last night. This one is still 40, and this one they extended it to 50% on UProfit. So UProfit's got 50%. So click on those, figure out which one you want. They're all good companies. If they weren't, I wouldn't leave them up here. If they were anything bad at all, I would pull them off. They're all good companies, though. On VPS, if you don't have a computer strong enough, then you can get our VPS, and it has 2 processors. You get 8 gig of RAM. Most people use 2 or 3 gig. And it also has an 80 gig hard drive. This is making it fast. It's located in Chicago, so when you click on it, it's right there by the exchange so that you can get fast executions, and that's what it's all about. It also helps you where you can trade on your mobile or your tablet. You can trade on a work computer, a home computer, whatever you want. It opens up like a browser. It looks like this right here. This screen right here is what it looks like. You can see down here it's just got a little Windows icon, your little logos. You're on your taskbar, your date and time. It is an actual computer that is inside. It looks like a browser window, really, and you can maximize it. A lot of people ask, well, if I sign up, when will I be able to have access? You do immediately. You get all of this right here immediately, all the Ninja Suite products, and you also, on your machine ID, what you do is you go in here, and there's a place that you can put your machine ID in, and it will automatically connect it to NinjaTrader. So there's only one PC per Ninja Suite. So if you lease the Ninja Suite, it only works on one computer at a time. You can change your machine ID as often as you like, but it only works on one at a time. We have a little getting started with the Ninja Suite, and when you click on here, it's a video, and it walks you through everything that we do. There's 3 videos here, and it's just showing you the instructions on how to do your NinjaTrader. So if you're brand new to NinjaTrader and everything, this right here is where you get started. And once you get started, then we have a newbies. So the newbies kind of goes through from A to Z. So it goes from signing up to the NinjaTrader to getting it installed, adding all your connections and everything, and then also adding the bots and so forth. So this video right here will show you every bit of that. How to use the NinjaTrader charts. A lot of people have trouble with that, so we put the video right here to make it easy for you. And how to use the indicators and bots. This is how you install them and so forth. The market hours. A lot of people don't even know, really what futures is about. So this right here shows everything that you need to know about that. Also, 3 ways to know if you should turn your bot on or enter manually. A lot of people, whenever they go to trade, they think they can just turn a bot on and it's just going to take off and do what they need to do. That's not the case. You need to know there's some rules. And right in here are the rules in order to know should I turn it on and how it works and avoiding chop and so forth. Do bots and indicators know each other? A lot of people get confused. They think if they have a bot turned on and they put an indicator on the chart, the bot knows it's there. They don't know each other. Unless this built into the bot, they don't know each other. So there's a lot of things that we go over, a lot of different ones, the setup instructions on how to set up your NinjaTraders and tools options. There's also the import files. This is where we install the files. So if you go here, you're going to have a couple of different ones. So if we go into the indicators, and it has a video telling you how to do it, and it also has your download right here. And in this download, you're going to have the templates for your strategies. You're also going to have your all the indicators. It's all one file. You're also going to be able to install the Ninja bars if you like those. Well, I don't use them personally. And then the time frames right here, that's how mine is set up. You get that file for that. And also the ATM strategies that I use. I don't use them all anymore, but I usually maybe a half a dozen of them that I use, but there's probably 30 or 40 different ATM strategies in there. And it shows you how to install all this stuff. It makes it really simple for you. And in order to get started, we have our trading strategies, how we're using the different indicators and so forth to build a strategy. And also your add-ons, your indicator tutorials and so forth, SpyBot. So you've got a lot of stuff here. If you're having trouble, right here's where you go. We also have a NinjaTrader 8 tips and tricks. This is a course to teach you how to use NinjaTrader. And you can also take care of all of your account information here, all your credit card details, subscriptions, and everything. So it's really super easy to get started. I'd like to get you started. If you signed up today, that would get you through the weekend where you can get everything set up and be trading on Monday. So again, if we go back and look at today, from 11/21 over, one contract, a $1,000 contract, made $2,605 untouched. The bot did it all, and you can see there's some places in here I would have moved my profit targets down, and I could have made more money if I manually controlled it, but I didn't. This is 100% untouched, hands-free, trading the bot. If you have any questions or anything, please let me know. I'd be glad to get you in the Discord and get you started on the Ninja Suite and start getting you to where everyone else is. A lot of people ask, how long does it usually take? If you don't know anything about NinjaTrader, honestly, it's going to take you 2 or 3 weeks to kind of get comfortable because you got to learn NinjaTrader, and you also have to learn trading and the Ninja Suite. So it takes a little while. If you already know how to use NinjaTrader, you can usually have this up and done in the same day and usually trading by the next day. It's not that hard. It's just a matter of getting everything loaded. But if you have any questions, let me know. Be happy to help you. You all have a great weekend, and I will see you on Monday.